Hi guys, welcome to the first episode of Q&A of our channel. As many of you were asking doubts regarding our AIIMS college, so I have made a video to answer all your doubts. In case you are new to the channel, please do not subscribe to our channel. Only subscribe if you liked our video. My name is Shubham and I am a second year MBBS student at AIIMS Mangalgiri, and let's get started. Bro, when single rooms will be allotted? Single rooms are allotted only to girls and not to boys. So boys are living in double rooms only. Bro, how many seats are there in AIIMS Mangalgiri for NEET 2021 students? Please reply bro. In some videos they are saying 50 seats and other videos 100 seats. I would like to tell you that 50 seats were there till 2019 only. Now the seats have been increased to 125 since 2020. To this, EWS quota has also been added. Bro, bikes are allowed in AIIMS Mangalgiri? Yes, bikes are allowed for everybody except for the first years. Only bicycles are allowed for the first years. Does AIIMS have freedom? Can we go out with friends? What is the difference between AIIMS Delhi and AIIMS MG? Are students here restricted of anything? People are very strict here regarding the rules and the regulations. We cannot step out of our campus after 7 pm. Girls cannot enter the boys' hostel and boys cannot enter the girls' hostel. And there is a huge difference between AIIMS Delhi and AIIMS Mangalgiri, as it is a newer campus. Bro, in which year you are studying? As I have already told that I am studying in second year. Till now no logo is there for AIIMS Mangalgiri. Even I don't know why. Dress code during regular days. How it will be bro? Formal shirt, formal pant and formal shoes for boys, whereas suit, kurti, pajami or salwar for girls. Is there separate bathroom to every single room? No, not for MBBS students. Hi bro, can you tell boys versus girls strength? The ratio is either 45 to 55 or 55 to 45 or approximately 50 to 50. Bro, there is a gym in AIIMS Mangalgiri or not? Till now no gym has been established in AIIMS Mangalgiri. I think in future it may be there. Is it permanent or temporary classroom, sir? Our classroom is permanent since 2020.